get money. What?
Glasses.
For him on his what are you even doing that? I said, let me also Monday for you. I said, you called you one Monday. Like, I didn't say for the
How much is Katia?
I don't need to know. I just have to tell my accountant to just pay for it.
Yeah, personal shop.
So you don't know the money they come from your account?
I don't need to know. Every 3 months, I'll check the totals. I always know which one was for this. I hope you like it.
Of course, now, you know, see, that's the only glass I'm carrying on.
This is the only time I'm wearing it. Because I'm going to repeat this glass again. Because when you insult me, I'll wear the rest.
Eh? I just saying
You know his glasses.
No, I'll wait after a week. I'll wait till 2 weeks after. Football is well. When we come out of the house, one of the first things I need from you, don't get me wrong, I didn't say only, but the first thing I need from you is an Emmy's papers. That's the first one.
Okay, from where?
Wait, Emmy's is not 50K. Oh yeah, my Emmy's size 12.
What if I have this size for now? You have a different size.
No, mine is size 12, yes, size 12.
Okay.
Again, your name is right.
What?
Mine is right.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you know how much mine is?
Agnes?
Yeah, do you know how much? How much? I want to see if we don't. How do you think I'm talking about all this banjo kind of thing?
Something is wrong with you. Something is wrong with you.
Some
From 500.
Yeah.
From 500, yeah.
500 pounds, so not naira.
Yes, I know.
So you're getting me like Emmys, one Emmys, right? So I'll think of what you give me. Give me time.
you wanna, you know, like
Birkin.
yeah, the big one for
I don't want to. I don't want
you know, it's fashion.
Birkin. Birkin. I think that they did. That bag is like 20 something million, right? I think
That's all right.
That big thing, but we now will get like 3. I think 3 or 4. When they were doing that, because I watched one video, they were doing stories. Hello, the big brothers are here. Hey, how about you,
Yeah. Good day. So, custodians, good day. Good day, housemates. All protocols observed, custodians. CGIS, we see you. Cleaning team, cooking team, the men of the toilets and restrooms, the ladies cleaning everywhere else. We salute all of you.
Social prefect.
Social prefect, of course. In fact, social prefect pay close attention. Housemates, earlier today, Big Brother witnessed you having fun while showing off your vocal abilities. Now, to see what exciting dance moves you might have in your bag of tricks. Big Brother is speaking about. First of all, by the way, remember it says whenever you hear this track, you must stand up and show your best dance move. Anyway, hold on. There's more. Apart from seeing, order please, apart from seeing what dance moves you have, Big Brother is equally curious to witness a bit of your wild side. So to speak. This is how this part of the task will be accomplished. Big Brother will play animal sounds. Listen, can we have some parliamentary procedure, please? All this shot is making the place untidy. Stay clean, no reason. Clean. We always count in the end. Remember, no lose guard. Full stop. Big Brother. It's part of the task on Friday. That's part of the task of Friday. That animal on Friday.
No, is it not just anytime they play the song?
No. Hold on, I don't know why you guys listen. The track, whenever you hear this track, you must all stand up and show your best dance moves. They play the track. Look at it.